Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix if keeps crashing on Realme 16 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so restart device, just click and hold side power button. After just click and hold side power button and restart device from here. After restart device, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here, scroll down to end, click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on reset, backup and reset. After click on backup and reset, click on reset phone and click on reset all setting. Enter your phone pin and click on reset. After click on reset, it just reset all setting. It's not clean and remove your phone memory and data. After reset, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, again click on settings app. Scroll down to end, click on system and update. After click on system and update, click on software update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. So you will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix if keeps crashing on Realme 16 Pro. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.